From streaming to artificial intelligence, the need for lightning-fast data transfer is skyrocketing. Enter multi-fiber cable assemblies, the game changers in connectivity, transforming our digital landscape with unmatched speed and efficiency. Multi-fiber cable assemblies bundle multiple optical fibers within a single cable, boosting data capacity dramatically. Imagine upgrading from a single-lane road to a superhighway. But why are they essential? Multi-fiber cables power cloud computing, connect 5G networks, manage the Internet of Things, and support high-definition streaming. They're vital in data centers, telecommunications, and beyond, ensuring seamless, high-speed connectivity across sectors. These cables offer increased density, reduced installation time, and improved network scalability. The future? Even higher fiber counts, improved connectors, and bend-insensitive fibers. Circuit assembly is at the forefront, crafting custom cable solutions for tomorrow's needs. Like and subscribe for more insights into the future of connectivity.